premium Facebook advertising tools and services to consider. Social Ads Tool. Social Ads Tool is a Facebook marketing partner and a very trusted provider. This tool gives you the following features: automatic page promotion, massive ad generation, automatic ad optimization, and deep reporting. Hootsuite. If you're thinking about Facebook advertising, this is the perfect place to start. With Hootsuite, creating social ads is a straightforward task. It helps you locate the best organic posts to promote because Hootsuite ads automatically scan your Facebook pages. You can manage all your social media advertising accounts and centralize your entire paid social strategy in one place. eMarkie. This is the Facebook Ads keyword tool. eMarkie allows you to search interests automatically. You won't have to search them manually anymore, and you'll observe hundreds at the same time. It's very simple. Just enter your keyword, then select the keywords you prefer to use and paste them into your Facebook audience interests. PageModo. PageModo enables you to design your ad. It makes it really easy to create ads that will stand out using modern fonts and professional tools. You'll have the option of targeting your Facebook audience by interest, location, and more, thus getting the most out of your Facebook ad budget. AdStage. With this tool, you'll actually put your ad accounts to work to increase your ROI. Something quite useful is the bulk ad creation option. You can design multiple ad variations in seconds. Also, you can edit bids, budgets, and statuses in bulk. Quaya. Quaya is the Facebook ads tool for professionals. It offers flat fee pricing starting at $149 per month. With it, you'll be able to schedule your campaigns to run on a certain day, define the performance-based rules to pause your campaigns, and set your ads into auto-rotation. AdEspresso. If you're looking to optimize your Facebook ads easily, this is the right tool for you. With only 3 clicks, you can create thousands of variants of your ads. In order to build powerful ads that convert, you can test all the versions of your creatives across all your audiences. Agorapulse. This is the Facebook page barometer you need to measure the results of your advertising efforts. You get the option of running unlimited free contests on your timeline, whether it's a quiz, a photo contest, or sweepstakes. You can learn Facebook marketing and see how moderation tools work, how to get rid of spam on your page, and more. DriftRock. With DriftRock, you get to use advanced targeting, automation, and ad management. This tool helps you display your ads at the perfect time based on sports results, the weather, TV ads, or any other data of your choice. Its ad creation technology improves time management, so you can focus on the things that really matter. Also, it has a pretty easy-to-use interface.